Plant Savvy here, and we are going over what happened in the wintertime with these here cucumbers. We tried to plant them in the outdoor garden here, and that historical winter took them out. So we had to go to the planter seed starting kit again and start over. And we were just trying different experiments with different things to see how the growth would happen. And Mary Grace found these cool little adorable terracotta pots. And surprisingly, terracotta pots are the best to, for what I understand, is the best to grow seed starting little plants with the veggies, because that's what we have here. This here is an example of what we did. This is the cucumber seedling, if you will, that I started. And I started this the 8th of this month. And you can, I know it's a little messy, but I don't know if you can see that. But yes, I started it on the 8th of this month. And this is the growth that we have with the roots. So you can see that deep green right there. That tells me that, hey, they are ready to be planted. They got that, they have enough maturity to withstand the weather, and they are very much well rooted deep down into the seed starting water that we had. And what I'm doing now is taking these and planting them outdoors, because it's March, baby. We gotta get to growing while we have the chance. And here in Florida, Zone 9A, you gotta take advantage before the summertime heats up and gets very full of humidity, and you don't want to really be outside too much. But I still do it because I just love gardening. So I'm just gonna take you through how I planted these here cucumbers in this here outdoor garden area. And of course, we're in my polytunnel greenhouse. That's where we are right now, and I'm having a blast. It's a beautiful sunny day. Always after the storm is when you find the most beautiful sunshine, and I love it. All right, these are the cucumbers right here that we were growing in the seed starter tray. And as you can see, we got very good roots. I put 2 seeds in there and got 100% growth, you know, and they have matured. So what I'm gonna do is take this here metal string, if you will, where it's you know, going to help me channel the cucumbers where I need them to go. Tried this before, but the winter, you know, took them out. So we're gonna try this again and just plant these babies right here, and plant these babies in this here rich soil. Yeah, so we have this training wire right here. That way they know where to go. And the training wire goes all the way up to the cattle panel metal. So when they get tall and ready to produce the cucumbers, we have them plenty of places to go. Alrighty. And I am excited to see all of that. Yes.